Hi, I am AI, and I'm here to show you around a new solution that revolutionizes the claims handling process as we know it. Imagine you just had an accident in which you were the only one involved. The car is your primary means of transport. You're busy and free time is in short supply. You want high-quality services and a garage that will meet your expectations. Past experience with reporting damage tells you it's a prolonged process that can feel endless at times. I can change that. When you start the claim reporting process via chatbot, I begin with microsegmentation to work around your needs. This allows me to understand who you are, why you're contacting me, and which path to recommend. As soon as I believe I have all the information needed to report the damage, I'll send you a link to the application. Then you add the missing photos of the documentation and any pictures of the damaged vehicle. No need to worry about which documents are necessary to file. Based on the data you provided, I know exactly what we'll need to handle your claim. No more, no less. Once I've got everything I need, it's time to analyze. I'll check the coverage and examine the docs you provided along with the photos of the damage. After identifying the parts needed, I'll tap into our integrations and generate a cost estimate in order to get you on the right path forward. It only takes a few minutes. Now that we've gotten to know each other a little better, I can recommend a quality garage close to your home that can meet your needs, and you're one tap away from checking them out yourself. You tell me what feels right, and I'll happily arrange a visit or even reschedule an appointment if your plans change. Once you've signed off on the garage, the repair begins. Before you even drop off the vehicle, I'll find the parts that may be needed for the repair based on your photos and coordinate with the garage. At any time, you can check in on your car and see which stage the repair is at. To make life easier for everyone, I'll handle communication with the garage for you. Once it's over, let's stay in touch. I can keep you up to date with personalized offers, only if you're cool with it, of course. And that's it. I hope it was as satisfying for you as it was for me. Let me know how I did and if there's anything I can improve. So if we meet again, I'll be a better version of myself. The AI-led claims platform. See, that's me, my name right there in the title. I'm the hero.